Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. When you just click here on notifications here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, you just come here to market volatility here alerts, just click on it. You come here to push, just click in this sign. Then like you see market volatility alerts enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you.